We're excited to share a few technology updates with you. Over the next few weeks, the district will be updating to Office 365. The biggest change will be an update to our email. We'll be upgrading to Outlook 365, which will give you some awesome new features. This version is cloud-based for added security and reduced downtime. Get ready for some exciting new features and useful updates. Say goodbye to that glitchy scrolling issue many of us have dealt with and enjoy some smooth navigation. And it's still just a click away on ClassLink with a slightly updated icon. Here's a sneak peek at some of the new features. You can pin important emails to the top of your page for easy access. You can record your emails hands-free with the Speak to Text feature. Instant confetti with joyful animations. Who doesn't love that? You can now insert an image into your signature. You can even record a video directly into your email. So to learn more about these features and more, watch our separate video on Outlook new features. As we transition to this new email system, we are also implementing new usernames. We are slowly working to streamline all of the usernames that we have to be the same, and this is one step towards that goal. As you are aware, for our email addresses, we currently use first initial dot last name at wi.k12. And for Google, we use something very similar, also with first initial dot last name, and we just have a different domain for the ending portion. But when we log on to the PC or ClassLink, we use something a little different, such as T Jones A in this example. So this is the name we want to change to make it consistent. Our usernames will be changing, and the new username will be first initial dot last name, just as we use in our email and in our Google accounts. So to recap, when you log on to your desktop PC or to ClassLink, you will be using a new username, which will be first initial dot last name. Our usernames are being retired. They've served us well for a long time, but best wishes and happy retirement. When you log on to your desktop PC, you will be using your new username. And when you log on to ClassLink, you will also be using your new username. Some good news, your password is not changing. Well, not yet anyway. Because we have new usernames, if you connect to the staff Wi-Fi, you will need to re-enter your logon credentials. If it doesn't prompt you automatically, you can use the Forget This Network option in your settings and then click to rejoin our staff Wi-Fi, which will then prompt you again to enter your username and password. For anyone that has their email set up on their phone, you will need to remove your account and then add it back again. iPhone users, you can pause the screen here to see the steps to remove your existing account. And then this next page has the steps to add back your account. It's a much simpler process to add the account back, and then just give it a few minutes for all the email to come through. For Android users, you can simply download the Microsoft Outlook app from the Play Store and then follow the steps on the screen to configure your account. So, quick recap. Your email will be getting an update, and the logon username that you use for your desktop and your ClassLink is changing. If you have the Wi-Fi on your phone, you will need to update your info, and if you use email on your phone, you'll also need to remove and re-add your account. But the first two options are the ones that will affect everyone, and then the other two are just for those that use those services. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your patience and support as we roll out these changes. And as always, contact your IT staff or your technology integration specialists for any help or assistance that you need. Thanks.